Look, I'm a motherfucking breeder, dog. Like, this fish shit, the reptile shit, the dog shit. Look at all these fucking babies. Now, this is one pair. It's still more babies over here in these rocks. But that one pair, they'll have this much of the tank from front to back with babies swimming around. This is another pair back here. They got more babies. They under those rocks, big rocks back there. Alright, right here in the front. There's babies all in these rocks. This is the third pair. This is the fourth pair. And it's more around the shoe, inside the shoe. Oh yeah. See that? Now I got these big ass Frontosas in here. It's 10 Frontosas in here. Sit. This is the biggest one right here. This one 12 inches. Hands flat. My hands flat. Let me put some food in there. Hold on. Let me put some food in there. So I got 2 300-gallon fish tanks in storage. I'm gonna put these fishes in one of them, and then I'm gonna use the other one for something crazy, like motherfucking a black piranha or something. I don't know. You see the colors? I got 4 of these, and the rest is just, you know, the common ones. Oh, motherfucker back there. Yeah. They be changing colors and shit. Yeah, anyway, these fishes are expensive. For one of these at this size, it's $60. So just imagine how much they cost now when they're as big as my hand. But they grow up to 16 inches. the females grow to 12 inches and the males grow to 16 inches. So I only had these fishes for a year. I just know how to grow fish faster. I know how to prepare a diet and have good water quality. Like these big guys, they were the size of this when I got them. But now look how big they are and look how the females are now. Yeah. Yep. Check out this other one. Wow. It just 3 koi fish in here. I told my wife, you better buy some more. You want some more fish in there. And then, you know, you have something to look at. But it's nice and peaceful in here. It's a placo in here somewhere. But anyway, I'll see what it is.